Hey friends, did you ever wonder how to gather web performance metrics such as Largest Contentful Paint in your Playwright scripts? Here's how that works. What you see here is a Playwright script that spins up in your browser and goes to checklyhq.com. And what you can do here is you can call page evaluate to run some JavaScript in the context of the loaded page. Make sure to return a promise here to pass values to the surrounding Node.js scope and initialize a new performance observer, which is a browser API to monitor and watch web performance events such as Largest Contentful Paint. Make sure to define buffer true because you also want to receive previous events as this page has already loaded. Define a callback which accepts a list argument and get all the entries in this list. The Largest Contentful Paint will be the last entry in this list, which you get with add -1. Resolve the promise with the start time of this event and assign it to a variable in the surrounding scope. Now we can already log this out using console log LCP and run it in the terminal using node index.js and see that the Largest Contentful Paint is roughly around 500 milliseconds. But this value is a string right now, so make sure to parse it to a proper number to work with it. If you want to learn more on how to measure page performance using Playwright or Puppeteer, we just gave this little section in our doc a little overhaul, and I think you might like it. See you around!